Hi, my name is Jen. I'm from BSJ and I just finished the Samuel Star Finance Academy course. And over the time of this course, I've learned so much and I gained a lot of new knowledge. Prior to the course, I was not aware of the basic financial terms of the stock and everything, but after joining this course, I was able to learn about the basic knowledge and the basic foundations of what makes up the stock market. And I would recommend this course to everyone because we receive seminars and lectures from experts and professionals in the field, so we really learned a lot. And yes, I'm really grateful for the opportunity to be able to join the program.
Hi everyone, my name is Rainer Jusuf and I am one of the participants of session 2 of the SSFA. So my academic background is neuroscience and I'm attending Brown University for my master's degree this coming spring. So one of the main reasons why I chose to partake in this program was to obviously improve my financial literacy and get to know a bit about the Indonesian capital market. And also consciously actually, I've always known to not close the doors of potential finance related jobs in the future. And this program has really opened my eyes on the possibilities that are out there. And personally, I've learned a lot from the program directors and the mentors and some of the leaders of this company, as well as I've gotten some stories and some personal accounts of some really successful people that have worked in the Indonesian capital market.
Originally, when I joined this program, I thought that I would not fit in or I would not understand anything since I didn't know much about the capital market. But from learning and listening from my mentors and Andrew, Darren, Aldo, Evelyn, and also listening to professionals in the industry who came and taught us here at this program, I was able to get a good understanding on the capital market and also learned a lot about investing, what I should do with my money, wise decisions I need to make, and also just lessons about life in general that would help me improve myself in the future.
Hello, my name is Winston. I am from Mountain View in Saltillo. So I decided to attend this program because I'm interested in finance. And I actually found this program really helpful because it helped deepen my understanding about the role of finance and also just made me more interested about finance in general. I really recommend this program to other students because through this program I got to learn more about what actually learning in the financial sector is like. I got the chance to talk to many professionals and just learn about their daily life and what they do in the shop, and I found that really interesting. And aside from that, there were many good speakers that made me just more interested in general. And aside from studying, there's also a lot of other activities you can do, like playing billiard, playing ping pong, and you can even swim and do a lot of other things. I really recommend this program to other people. Yeah, thank you.
Another aspect that I really enjoyed was the roundtable discussions with Bu Miming, Bu Evelyn, and Harry, because what we really got there was an actual page out of their life and what they thought and how they looked at the financial market in comparison to others, and that approach is very real and they can show results for what they have done and how they perceive things and how they look at things.
Hi, my name is Brian, and I am currently a student at BU, studying finance and marketing. I chose to join this SSFA program not only to deepen my financial literacy, but I thought it had some personal use. Learning how to trade, learning how to grow my own portfolio, as well as obviously learn from the best, learning from highly successful people in the equity and capital markets, as well as having the opportunity to network with them. I think one big takeaway that I got from this experience was really getting a first-hand experience on what it's like to be grilled, and knowing the pressure and the expectations that you have to have working in the world of finance.